For this problem, we've got 2 points, 2C and C32, and if we draw a line through those, it's also going to pass through the origin. We need to find out the value of C. So the important thing to think about here is that this line is going to pass through 3 points, 2C, C32, and the origin, which is 0, 0. So the trick here is to use the slope formula and calculate the slope in 2 different ways using these 3 points, because for example, the slope from here to here should be equal to the slope from here to here, and if they are, then that line will be going through the origin. Okay, so let's get started. Remember that slope is the change in y over the change in x. So first let's do 32 minus c for the change in y over c minus 2 for the change in x. Now that slope, if we want to go through the origin, should also be equal to the slope from here to here. So I guess we could do c minus 0, which would just be c, over 2 minus 0, which is just 2. Cool. So now we have an equation with our variable c that we should be able to solve for. A good strategy at this point would be to cross multiply. So we would have, let's multiply these first. So 2 multiplied by 32 minus c, that would be 64 minus 2c. And then here, if we multiply c and c minus 2, it would be c squared minus 2c. All right, you'll notice we've got a minus 2c on both sides of this equation, so they essentially cancel each other out. So we've got 64 is equal to c squared. Well, what squared is 64? 8. So that matches option D. All right, hope that was helpful, and thanks for choosing JD's Prep.